The way of nicotine.
His stress team, Jackson, never a rebel.
Sold his soul to the nicotine devil. What started as being stressed
Nicotine made him depressed. He broke the curse, no longer a vessel.
Nicotine traps your mind. Don't be trapped.
The walk away.
There once was a kid named Ray. Who thought smoking was cool every day.
His heart stopped beating.
He had trouble breathing. So he threw all his cigarettes away.
Now he quit and goes on runs every day.
Carlos's POV.
Carlos was smoking every day at school. After he went to the alley to be cool.
Started feeling out of breath. Got him feeling scared to death.
So he quit to not be a fool.
Don't be a fool. Quit smoking today.
Gus's fresh start.
Gus started vaping to fit in.
A habit that caused him to sin.
His lungs started to ache.
A terrible mistake.
Now he's quit, feeling healthy again.
Smoking kills. No is always a choice.
In the end, the Reaper smokes a tobacco pen.
Jared vaped since he was 10.
He wanted to be cool like his friends.
Then vaping buried Mr. Sven.
He looked and saw friends coughing. Now he spreads the word to careful coffins.
Don't smoke, it will kill you.
Love life lesson. Love decided to try and buy a babe.
Oh no!
Then several diseases to his body came.
First, body aches and stress, irritation too hard to suppress.
Soon quitting and having a healthy body to maintain.
Don't smoke or get smoked.
Smokeless Lou.
A young man named Lou, quite astute,
Thought smoking made him a cool dude.
His lungs started to wheeze.
Bringing him to his knees.
Now he's quit, feeling healthy to boot.
Don't do it, cause your lungs will suffer. Andrew and his view.
There once was a guy named Andrew
who thought smoking was cool to do.
Yeah.
But his cough made him fret. So he chose to forget.
Now he's healthy and loves the view.
Quit for a healthy life.
Rambo's realization.
Rambo was heavy on chew.
Oh, chew, I need you.
So that he could really mew.
Yeah.
But in the end, he realized
that he would be finalized.
Now he's helping himself start anew.
Tobacco chew isn't for you.
Stan is now well.
A smoker named Stan, quite unwell.
His lungs filled with tar, it's no tell.
His cough was so bad he felt truly sad. So he quit and now breathes very well.
Choosing health over habits can lead to a brighter future. Quit now.
The bear in the bag. Bear discovered a bag with tobacco and a gag.
He gave it a try. Then he coughed with a cry.
No more of that. I'll stay away from the drag.
Be careful what you try. Luck might not be on your side.
Caved in.
There was a dolphin named Daphne who loved to smoke tobacco in the cave with her boo.
The oxygen left the cave.
Oh
no! So they decided to be brave.
And they quit the habit for a smoke-free view.
Get out the cave and be brave.
Annie's aches.
Annie was a smoking dog. She was always surrounded by gray fog.
Soon her head and stomach ached. And it was too much to take.
Annie quit creating smog.
Hot diggity dog. Don't make smog.
Clay's decay.
There was Clay, who smoked every day. Clay's health began to slowly decay.
He coughed and he wheezed. His chest feeling all squeezed.
Quitting made him feel all okay.
Don't decay. Quit today.